Because we're riding the brakes, riding the brakes. All right, do a 3-point turn. Good. Good. And bring it back up. Cut through that path up there. Can you see it? Can you see the front wheels and everything?
Yeah, I can see my front wheels.
Gotta feather it. Hello YouTube, hello our subscribers. Like, subscribe, come in, notification bell. We're doing a trail run with the Everest Gen 7 Pro oldie but goodie crawler with a helicopter on top. We just rescued a helicopter and a passenger or the driver of the helicopter up on top of the hill, and we're taking her out of the situation. So we're going nice and slow so we can get out, everybody get out safely. Pretty cool trail, a lot of footage, great footage, and we're getting out safely back to civilization. It's coming out slow. You're going to get a very good view of the truck and the helicopter that we rescued moments ago. Like, subscribe, comment, notification bell, thumbs up, thumbs down. We appreciate both of them, guys. Later.